Hey, what's up my good people? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to change the blade. This blade here is beat up, as you can see. It's been smoking when you're trying to cut a 2x4. So I'm gonna show you how to change it on this miter saw, and this is a Ryobi, and the blade is 10-inch. So when you're changing the blade, make sure you know the size. So this is size 10 inches, and we also need to note the direction of rotation. So if this is a rotation, we need to access this bolt right here. I'm going to show you how to access that bolt and the tools that you're gonna need to change this blade. I got the new blade right here. It's a 10-inch, and as you can see, it's good for miter saw or the table saw. And this is a DEWALT 40-tooth 10-inch. So let's get started. So if you got Ryobi like this, and if you bought it new or whatever you bought, it still have some tool supply right here. All you need is this size 5 Allen key, which one side is Allen key and on the other side is a Phillips screwdriver. And the reason why you need this Phillips screwdriver, in order to access that bolt, we need to hold this back, this guard back by removing or loosen this screw right here. And all I need is to make it loose like that. So once you get it screwed, loosen this one. Now we can back it up and be able to hold it back just like that. From there, now this bolt to unscrew it, that's why we're gonna need this size 5, and you put it right there. And then normally when you're removing the screw is a counterclockwise, but in this situation we are going to be clockwise to unscrew it. And since the blade is rotating, let me show you a button that you need to click like here. You press this to lock in place. Rotate the blade a little bit so you can deplace all the way in like that. And right now the blade is locked. So when the blade is locked like that, we're going to rotate this bolt clockwise. And there we go. Once you get out the bolt, the next thing is this retainer washer. And now the blade. There is another retainer washer right here, but you don't need to remove this one, just in case you want to replace it. Now when you're buying your blade, make sure you check through the materials that it can cut. So for like this one, you can see it can cut the hardwood, softwood, all those that are matte. And then this one there's some of the materials here that are not suitable for cutting with this blade. So make sure you check all this good information. For now, I'm just gonna be multi-purpose with this blade, so I got majority checked. Now this is the alloy that I was telling you about. So if the blade, when installing the blade, the alloy has to be going this way, and therefore here is my blade, and it shows the alloy going that way. So Worst case scenario is installing this blade like this, the alloy going this way and this alloy showing you supposed to go that way. So we're gonna go that way. We go in. The blade in. Next one is a retainer washer. Next is a screw, the bolt, and this time you're going counterclockwise to tighten it. So hand tighten first all the way, and then now you can come in with the number 5 Allen key. And now I'm gonna hold the same button again. Alright, now from there we're gonna pull this. See this slot like here, we're gonna pull it through. Let the guard go. And now we're going to tighten this. And we are back in business. And that's how you change the blade on a miter saw. Subscribe and stay tuned. Thank you for watching.